Today, I'm going to show you how to use Wix to create a blog, step by step, in a simple and relaxing way. First, log into your Wix account and go to your website dashboard. Click Create New Site, or select an existing website where you want to add a blog. From the editor, click Add Apps and search for Wix Blog. Click Add to Site to install the blog feature. Once the blog is added, click Manage Posts to start creating content. You can add a new post, write your title, content, and include images or videos to make your post engaging. Wix also allows you to categorize your posts, add tags, and schedule them for future publishing. You can customize the blog layout, font, and colors to match your website design. After finishing a post, click Publish to make it live on your website. Your readers can now view, comment, and share your posts. And that's it. You now have a professional blog on Wix, ready to share your ideas with the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.